Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Government of India की मीटिंग मखादा Press Information Bureau PIB Regional Office Imphal na sinduna PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana की matangda नोंमगी ओइबा वार्ता निंगथोनबा मीडिया वर्कशॉप अमा ngasi Thoubal da leiba Kshetri Shanglen da pangthokre Bharat leingakna haukiba chahi 12 asida tawkiba thabak thauramsing khanghananabagi chatharakpa program ki manung channa pangthokpa workshop aduda leingak asigi flagship scheme ama oina paikhatliba journalist singda Rooftop solar scheme ki matangda sugaina khanghanki Session ani thokna chathakiba workshop adu hongdokpagi thoramda PIB Regional Office Imphal gi Additional Director General Dr. Ingam Pame IIS Central Bureau of Communication CBC Field Office Chandel gi Assistant Director Moirangthem Rustam Singh MSPDCL ki General Manager RESH Niti Devi MSPDCL ki Manager Electrical Nongthombam Purnima Devi amadi PIB Regional Office Imphal ki Communication Officer Puspa Maibamna athoiba mitung oina saruk yakhi Thauram aduga mari leinana athoiba mitung gi warol piraduna Dr. Ingam Pame IIS na haikibada tongan da scheme kaya gi khuthangda Bharat leingak na paikhatliba leibak asigi chawkat thorang singbo leibak miyam da khanghananaba leingak na thamliba pandam adu panghanbada journalist singi thaudang yamna chawi Ingumja lising ani ni futareta leibak asina malem gi khwaidi ki chawkatba leibak ama oinaba Bharat leingak na changsiliba amadi paikhatliba thabak thoram sing asibu mahi yalhanbada journalist singi achoba thaudang lei hairaduna journalist singbu agents of change haibada haimanba thokloi haiki workshop adu gani suba technical session da MSPDCL gi general manager RE amadi SS Niti Devi MSPDCL gi manager electrical Nongthamba Purnima Devi na objective implementation and impact of PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana in Manipur haiba hiramda resource person sing oina wangangki Ingkumja lising ani kunmari gi February 15 dagi hongdokhiba Rooftop solar scheme asina hauzik phawada Manipur gi oina online da application lising ahumga chani kulhumdoi taropagi manungda lising ama chamanga yangkhai taret install tawkhre asigumba malem gi mahausa gi khal kaikhalakliba asidagi kannanaba pandamda paikhatliba scheme asi isa gi yumda pushanbada leingakna subsidy pibaga khakta natana bank tagi loan lawbagi khudong chabasu piri haiki
You are the four pillars of democracy. You are the agents of change. Our country, our people relies on you to bring awareness, to bring changes in the community, in the society as a whole. Friends, I would like to bring a very warm greetings to all of you. And I hope that our interaction, our meeting today will be a very fruitful and meaningful. Friends, the Constitution of India treats every one of us, every citizens of this country equally and guarantees a life of dignity to every citizen of this country. However, despite several decades since independence, in the absence of basic requirements, in the absence of reaching out our basic needs to the people of this country, many of the people in this country are still living in abject poverty. That is the reason why the government of India has developed and has taken an initiative into building a development model. The government initiatives of having a development model is to provide basic amenities to the people of this country, particularly water supply, electricity connections, healthcare, toilets, LPG cylinders to all the households, education, and financial inclusions, not only to the few, but to every citizen of this country. Friends, keeping that in mind, I just want to request all of us that you and me are also part of the journey to make our country great. Keeping that in mind, the Government of India also has taken the initiatives of having a policy called Viksit Bharat at the rate of 2047. Government has taken these initiatives, a bold vision to make India a developed nation by 2047, when India will be celebrating 100 years of independence. You and me are part of that journey today. That is the reason why we are all here today. The Government of India has taken these initiatives very seriously. Masida mimi ang pulig said, Kwegi vision at the rate of 2047, Government of India initiative to fulfill the niya ngasi mimi ang pulig. And PIB being the part of the central government has been given this responsibility to reach out to you. The Government of India has taken the initiative of reaching the last man in the last mile. That is the reason why we are here today. Ngasi Imphal gi koi ngasi gi Thoubal July.29 media person sida dari punya je pun siya sabi koi meeting the objectives of reaching the last man in the last mile. Aduki friends, I would like to request you. We're here with seriousness. Iko isi the laraga, pulaga, chami naraga, adum kami naraga chake harite. We're here with a purpose. Nakoi miyam pulaga. Iko ini miyam di mind, kok miyam se thadamin naraga. Karamana iko ini India ki vision, develop nation se karamana. Iko Wai may akni ano po to? Ikaw niya sa nay nariga. Puna sa nariga. Ikaw yung country super na country na. Wai yan say habi po to ulit niya. Ikaw niya sa isi pun mani. Wai Bharat ka Singapore na sa family president. Okay lah itu so hai anjing itu jadi yang ini ya seorang bertahan. Ay nagrigi, maski marami sa Panjabra hindi. Singapore is one of the best countries in the world. In terms of cleanliness, Luna number one in the world. In terms of running the business, the best in the world is Singapore.